This is my hook for this episode. Get it? Hey guys, welcome to AgamidCG. I know more and more people are interested in 3D modeling and 3D printing. And if you're on the fence and you're thinking, is 3D printing something that I can even use or something that will actually do? Or is it just something new and shiny and trendy? Well, I think I have the perfect example of something that can solve some of your everyday problems or just kind of give you a window into what is possible with 3D printing for someone who isn't an avid modeler or someone who's painting miniatures or something like that. So a lot of people use these sticky hook things, whether you get them from the dollar store or an actual name brand one. Even a regular hook or handle of any kind these days can be a bit pricey, even if it's not really artistically appealing and is just a box. Though we can't necessarily replicate the adhesive properties of them, we can certainly customize them to whatever purpose or aesthetic we would like to use them for with 3D printing and 3D modeling. So for example, my bunny Nano, like all bunnies, is an extremely voracious eater, and he attacks his hay bag. Currently, the hay bag is just sitting on two 3M hooks, and he easily pushes them off, and the hay bag goes on the ground, the hay all comes out, and I have a mess to clean up, which is not fun. So my solution to this problem is to create my own customized version of this hook so that I can clip the hay bag into it without it being able to be pushed off, no matter how aggressive the little bugger is with it. I decided to screw it in as well instead of using the adhesive, but you can easily go either way. This worked out great and is a perfect solution for now. The hook took me all of about 10 minutes to model and about 10-11 minutes for me to print 2 of them. This is just a small, simple example of what you can do with 3D printing. There are tons of files of really cool stuff, from creature and character models to handy things you could use around your house and gadgets that you've never thought of. But I just thought this would be a great example of something that is very simple to do and could be used in everyday life. You could probably imagine that there's a ton of other DIY solutions that could be done. So hopefully this inspires you a little bit. I know this one was short and simple, but I have plenty of cool projects to come. I am currently working on a full game character and a couple of other things, so stay tuned. If you like my content, there's a bunch of useful buttons down below. You know what they're for, and feel free to say hello in the comments. That's all for now. Until next time, see you around.